Good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing fine. So class, we have already started our chapter number 12 and exercise 12.1, right? I have made you understand about the chapter, and exercise 12.1 we have already started and we have done till question number 9, right? And I have given you homework also. So I hope you all have done it. So today we will do question number 10. So write down in your notebook question number 10 part 1. Okay, I have already drawn the figure here. So look at here. This is question number 12. Solution number 12. Okay. So question is saying that find the angle measured x in the following figure. So in the following figure, this figure is clear to you? This figure is clear, I think, right? So we have to find the value of x here. The value of x here, we all know that these are the exterior angle. Look at here. This is exterior angle. This is also exterior angle. This is also exterior, and this one is also exterior angle. And we all know that the sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree. Yesterday I have told you that sum of all the exterior angle is 360 degree. So from here we can find the value of x very easily. Okay? So we will add 100 degree plus 120 degree plus 80 degree plus x equal to 360, and then by transposing we can easily find out the value of x. Okay, so write down the solution here. Angle A is given. Angle A is 80 degree. These all are the exterior angle. Okay, so angle B is x. Angle C is 100 degree, and angle D is 120 degree. So write down the formula first of all, that sum of measure of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. So sum of measures of all exterior angle of a polygon, है ना? Or of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C and plus angle D is equal to 360 degree, right? And angle A is 80 degree, angle B is x, angle C is again 100 degree, and angle D is 120. It's equal to 360. So firstly we will add these angles. 80 plus 100 is 180, right? 180 and plus 120 is 80 plus 20 कितना हो जाएगा? 120 plus 80 is 200. 200 plus 100 is 300. So x plus 300 degree equal to 360 degree. Now we will transpose 300 to right hand side, right? So by transposing it become minus 300 degree. So only x is left here, and here 360 degree minus 300 degree. So value of x will be 60 degree. Got it? So we have to find the value of x, and we have found here the value of x. It's very easy class, right? We all know that the sum of all exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. So let's do the next question. Question number 11. Question number 11 is find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of part 3 means 72 degree. Means here we have to find the number of sides. We have to find here what? We have to find number of sides. So we have to find here the number of the side, means the polygon name or the polygon having the number of sides in which each angle is of 72 degree. So वो कौन सा पॉलीगन ऐसा है जिसके हर एक एंगल 72 डिग्री के होते हैं. So आपको पता है कि हमें ये बात पता है कि जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल होता है एक्सटीरियर एंगल का टोटल सम कितना होता है क्लास 360 and if each angle is 72, so we will divide 360 by 72, then we will find out the number of a polygon, number of the side of the polygon. Got it? Because we all know about how the sum of all exterior angle, the sum of all exterior angle is 360 and each exterior angle is given here, that is 72 degree. So we will divide 360 by 72, then we will get the number of side of the polygon. Okay, so write it. Right here question number, solution number, this one was the solution number 10. Okay, so write down the question number 11 part 3. Write down question number 11 part 3. Solution number 11 part 3. Part 3 is each angle. So what is given here? Each angle means each exterior angle. Sorry, what is given? Each angle, each exterior angle is given. So each exterior angle is of 72 degree. Is of 72 degree, right? And now we have total, we know that it is 360, right? So find out here, we have to find out the number of sides. We have to find the number of sides. So we will write here first of all sum of measures of all exterior angle. So sum of measure of all exterior angle is 360 degree. So now we have to find the number of sides. So write down the number of sides equal to the number and O dot है ना, number of sides equal to 360 divided by each angle. So each angle is of 72 degree. So it will be 7 5s are 35, 2 5s are 10. So yani 72 1s are 72, 72 5s are 360. 72 5s are 360. That means the number of the side are 5. That means it is a pentagon, right? So write down here. Answer. So number of sides will be 5, right? The polygon name is pentagon. So class, this I have done that question number 11 part 3, but question number 11 part 1 and part 2 you have to do. Okay classes, this will be your homework. But now write down the next question, question number 12 part 2. Question number 12 part 2. Class, this is very easy, right? This exercise is very easy. Understanding quadrilateral. It's very easy. Write down question number 12. Solution 12, second part. What is question is saying? Question is saying that find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 12 sides. Means each exterior angle we have to find if the polygon having 12 sides. So it's also very easy, I think, right? How to find out? You all know that the total sum means sum of measure of all the exterior angle is 360, right? And if there is 12 sides, so we will divide 360 by 12. We will find out each angle, right class? So let's do the solution. Each exterior angle we have to find out. Total we know that is 360. So we will divide 360 by 12. We will get each exterior angle. So write down here number of sides. So number of side means n. N is given. N is 12. N is 12. Sum of measures of all exterior angle is equal to 360 is equal to 360 degree, right? But we have to find measure of each exterior angle. So each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by n, means number of sides. So 360 degree divided by n is 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36 and zeros are 0. That means 30 degree. 30 degree. That means each exterior angle will be 30 degree. Is of 30 degree. Got it, class? So it's very easy, right? Very easy. Part 1 you have to do. It's your homework. So now question number 13 is each exterior angle. Now next question number 13 is each exterior angle of a regular polygon is double of its exterior angle. Each interior angle is double of its exterior angle. So find the number of the side in the polygon. We have to find out the number of sides in the polygon. So let's do solution number 13. Okay, note it down first. Okay, done? Now next question. Question is each exterior angle. Solution number 13. Class, can you tell me? Let's assume this is a triangle. Okay? This is a polygon. It is having this is its exterior angle, right? And this one is its interior angle, right? Class, look at here. This is interior angle and this one is exterior angle. So can you tell me what will be the sum of interior angle plus exterior angle? If we add both the angles, what will be its sum? Yes, correct. It will be equal to 180 degree because these two angles making a linear pair and linear pair कितने डिग्री का होता है 180 डिग्री का. So that means ये कितना होगा 180. Similarly इस क्वेश्चन में क्या कहा गया है that interior angle is double of its exterior angle. If exterior angle is x, let's assume exterior angle is x. So interior angle will be twice of x, means double of exterior angle, means it will be twice of x. Got it? It is twice of x. So we know that x plus 2x, that means exterior plus interior is equal to linear pair, that means 180. So exterior plus interior is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because these two angles are making linear pair, na? That's why. So from here we can find the value of x. यहाँ से हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? Value of x. और value of x था क्या? Exterior angle, right? It is exterior angle. और जैसे ही हमें exterior angle मिलेगा, we will easily find out how many sides are there. Because total we know that the sum of all measure of exterior angle is 360. And if we get the one angle of exterior, so we will divide 360 by each angle, right? Then we will easily get the number of sides. So let's do. So firstly we will assume. So let exterior angle is x. So let exterior angle is equal to x. Okay? So what will be the interior angle? What will be the interior angle? It will be twice of x, right? Because x is given that each interior angle is twice of its exterior. So that means interior angle will be 2x. And we know that interior angle, right here, exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degree. We all know na? No need to draw the figure. Okay class, this is just for make you understand. So in exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Exterior angle is x, interior angle is 2x is equal to 180. So 2x plus 1x is 3x. So 3x is equal to 180 degree. Now we will transpose 3 to right hand side. So it will become 180 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 80. That means x is equal to 60 degree. And what is x? X is exterior angle. So exterior angle, that means each exterior angle is x. So each exterior angle is equal to 60 degree. Now we have to find the number of sides. So how to find number of sides? अभी हमने पहले क्वेश्चन जो किया सेम वैसे ही था. So number of sides we will divide 360 by each angle. So we will divide 360 by 60. Okay. So now number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by 60 degree. 61 is 60, 66 is 360. That means number of sides is equal to 6. That means the polygon is hexagon. It has 6 sides. No? So answer, it is 6. So write down the answer. The answer will be, the number of sides will be 6. Okay. You have to write down the answer yourself. Okay class 8. Now your homework. Write down your homework. This exercise we have completed. Right, we have completed. So tomorrow we will move on the next exercise. So write down the homework. Homework is do question number 10 part 2, do question number 11 and 12. Okay, which we have not done in copy. The rest questions you have to do. Okay, so do question number 10, 11 and 12. 10, 11, 12 of exercise 12.1. In practice copy you have to do. Okay class, when school will reopen, I will surely check your notebook also as well as your PC work also. Okay, and if you have any query you can feel free to ask me. Okay everyone, thank you, bye bye.